Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. First of all, I just want to apologize about my voice. I've had a little bit of a cold. This past week, I got a lot of apples for a reduced price. I decided to make applesauce. It was easy, fast, and tastes fantastic. I like knowing what's in my applesauce and that I won't have any preservatives or worms or other unwanted items in it that you might get if you buy applesauce from the store. You need about 8 cups of apples for this recipe, which is about 8 to 10 apples. First, wash your apples. Next, cut them into quarters. Cut out the cores and peel the skins. Then I usually just cut each quarter in half. Keep doing this until you get about 8 cups of apples. Then put 3/4 of a cup of water and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into your Instant Pot. Make sure you have the plastic ring inside the lid. Pressure cook on high for 7 minutes. When the apples are done cooking, wait about 10 more minutes and then you can push the pressure valve to release the pressure before you open the lid. I usually just let it depressurize naturally and go take a shower or do the dishes or some other kind of work and come back to it whenever I am ready, anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes later. That way making applesauce works in my schedule, not me changing my schedule to work around the applesauce. If it isn't depressurized when I'm ready to do it, then I will just release whatever pressure is left whenever I'm ready. The Instant Pot won't let you take off the lid until the pressure is gone. Next, stir the apples. As you stir, the apples will just turn into a nice applesauce. If it is too chunky for you, you can always use a food processor or a blender to make it smoother. You can add salt, sugar, or cinnamon if you wish, but my applesauce tasted so good without adding anything. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.